Welcome back. We learned about our basic Python data types. We also learned a little bit about some of the terms that we might use when talking about code. We learned a few best practices, but most importantly, we learned how to perform actions on these data types. We saw that there's built-in functions that we can run on any data type, such as the print function. But we also learned that most of these data types have their own methods. That is, that dot, some sort of a name, and then the brackets to perform some actions on them. Now we're still scratching the surface here, but we now go into an area that gets really, really exciting. Because up until now, what we've been doing is this. Every time we write code, we do something here, and then we go to the second line and do something else, and then finally go to the third line and do something else, and so on and so forth. Our Python interpreter just went line by line, one all the way to whatever line number we have on our .py file, and just ran the code. And it ran it really fast because machines are good at that. They run code really fast. But we haven't discovered the true power of programming, and specifically programming for machines. You see, the power comes when we start to incorporate the idea of maybe running multiple lines over and over, or maybe skipping a line and going from line 1 to line 3. And in this section, we're going to talk about the idea of conditions and conditional logic. We're going to talk about looping and loops, where we can perform actions hundreds, thousands, millions of times over and over, something that machines are really, really good at. And that's when programming becomes really powerful, because machines can do certain tasks a lot better and a lot faster than humans. So we're now going to break into a new world where instead of going from 1, 2, 3, everything in order, we're going to start to break some of that apart so that we have more control over our programs than just going line by line. Let's find out how to do that in the next video.